I suspect there's going to be a hell of a lot going on.
I've lost the name, it doesn't matter.
It's pickled something. Alright, bye. You're on another adventure with Bernie. Thanks for joining me. Back in Ho Chi Minh City. I'm so glad I got my passport back just in time. That was so close. Anyway, bit more of Ho Chi Minh. Tet New Year's Eve tomorrow night. I suspect there's going to be a hell of a lot going on. So look after yourselves, enjoy the video, and take care. I returned to Ho Chi Minh using the ferry service.
I bought some Bose earbuds before leaving, and man, when you have them on silent, they're pretty bloody silent. I've just been wearing them in the boat, and I've come out here and pulled them out for fear of losing them, and it's bloody loud. Back in Ho Chi Minh.
I was just escorted into my room, so I didn't go through the usual open the door trick. But this is it.
Okay, big bed. Big bed. Got a view of sorts out there. Oh, that opens, get some fresh air. There's always a little bit of a smell. Not always, I shouldn't say that, but on a number of occasions. Oh, there's a smell in here though. Alright, shower, toilet. There. She's compact, but let's be honest.
I don't really need too much room. This is costing me, what's it costing me? I think about $50 Australian a night, and that includes brekkie. And I reckon it'll be a good brekkie, but I've been wrong before. Right, I've come out for a little bit of a snack. These little shrimp and pork rolls, fresh, beautiful flavours. I've already hooked into one. This is a lovely dipping sauce, a little bit of spice to it as well. A nice healthy carrot and pineapple juice. I do need a little bit of a vitamin boost, I must say. So let's have a go at this. Good flavours, nice. Very nice. A little bit of a spice to that dipping sauce as well. Alright, bye. I'm going to have a big feed for dinner. I'm hanging out for that. I'm going to have one of these. It's a profiterole. That's interesting because they actually fill it with the cream after you order it. It just sort of sits here without. So I go on the vanilla, which is like your traditional, whatever I called it.
I've lost the name, it doesn't matter.
44,000 dong, so $3 if you like. I'm going to hook into it shortly. Profiterole was the name that I was trying to think of there before. Beard pumpers, and here we go. They can never be eaten delicately. It's good. It tastes like every other one I've eaten, which is good. When they fill it with cream, they actually weigh each item so you get the exact same. Probably not a bad way to do it, to be honest. Just felt like a bit of greasy chicken for dinner tonight. Not too hungry after that lunch today, to be honest, but I'm not sure what this is. It tastes alright. It's a strange flavour. It's pickled something, I reckon. The girl couldn't tell me. Spicy chili sauce. Here we go. Ooh, that's hot still. you'd expect. It's all about timing. I thought I'd come down and check out all this this racket that was going on, and they finished when I got here. All right, breakfast time at the White Lotus Hotel. Wow, lots of stuff. 2025, as I may have mentioned already, I'm pretty sure I have, is the year of the snake in the Chinese calendar. So there are lots of snakes about the place. They want to charge, I don't imagine they'd normally charge to go in here, but there's lots of different things going on. But they want to charge us 60,000 dong to get in, which is about $4 Australian. Not a whole lot of money, but I'll continue walking. Very good. There should be more of it. Very nice. I had breakfast this morning. I don't want to do what I did last night, kind of wait, then you have dinner at bloody 9:30 and blah blah blah. Anyway, I'm on the hunt for a Boost juice. They're a good juice. You find them, well, most places in the world that I've been to thus far, and it's a bit of a meal, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm on the way. Thought I looked, Google Maps is letting me down yet again. I'm giving up on the Boost juice. It's a one place, it's permanently closed, doesn't exist. Just went to another place in a shopping mall where I was yesterday. I had some lunch yesterday. It's all padlocked up. This is all due to Tet. The places close up. So that's where we're at. No shortage of places to eat and drink though around the town, so I'll find something, and I just don't know which way to go. Always trying to go down new streets rather than just repeat the same streets all the time. So I'm gonna go across here. That's what I'm gonna do, and you do it carefully. Okay, going the banh mi. This lady is an expert. Or yep, that's okay. Here we go. I thought it was tomato for a second. Going the chili version. Oh yeah. Happy days. $25,000 dong for this one. The bread's always beautiful. Beautiful rolls, pork and spicy. Like an apartment full of bars and cafes. Different. Bloody hot.
I not have 2,000. Can you call me 2,000?
Yep.
Yeah.
No problem. Thank you. No worries. All right, 2,000 shy on the change. Shed a wad of notes, but anyway, don't matter. 2,000 is like
15, 13 cents, something like that. Anyway, I've gone to Barbie, cooking over there. Very difficult to get into any of the cafes and restaurants there. I've tried to walk into a few and no, we're full. Went into one and all they had was just pho, and I didn't want pho, I had pho for breakfast. So I thought I'd pass on that one. I really was hanging for a bit of meat. I haven't had lunch, I just had my brekkie, so I'm bloody starving. This should be good. Pork sausage and just pork meat. Hey, sit down. There you go. Very tasty. Good. And then it was time to enjoy the stunning fireworks for the Tet Lunar New Year Festival. A spectacular display it was too. You can find a full-length video of the fireworks themselves in my Vietnam playlist. Check it out. After it was time to mosey on back to my accommodation, and then... G'day everyone, and thanks for watching. That concludes another adventure with Bernie. Hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed hanging around Ho Chi Minh City. It's a great little spot, busy, but lots of fun for sure. If you check out this little playlist that you see, you'll see more of my adventures in Vietnam. Hope you can enjoy those too. So take care of yourselves, look after the world, and remember, it's nice to be important, but it's important